They told me silence was nothing, but nothing has never felt like this. I used to fear the quiet rooms where my thoughts could hear themselves, where every pause felt dangerous, like something else might surface. I filled the gaps with motion, with voices, with delay, mistaking noise for living, mistaken still for gray. But something shifted slowly when I finally stayed long enough to notice nothing bad was on its way. Quiet is not empty, it's just not loud. It holds the things that couldn't speak when the world was shouting out. There's a presence in the stillness, there's a language I forgot. Quiet is not empty, it's just full of what I'm not. I heard my breath without correction, my heart without a race. I felt the space around my thoughts stop asking to be filled. The stories lost their urgency, the questions took a seat, and something older than my fear stood calmly next to me. No answers fell from heaven, no truth announced its name, just a gentle sense of being here without the need to change. Quiet is not empty, it doesn't disappear. It waits until the noise steps back and shows you what is near. There's no pressure in the silence,